Okay, so in this particular lecture, we are about to study Pandas DataFrame pivot table. In Python, Pandas, a pivot table is a powerful tool for summarizing, reorganizing, and analyzing data, similar to pivot tables in MS Excel. It also allows you to group and aggregate data, compute summaries, reshape the data frame to make it easier to understand patterns. Okay, the basic syntax is that we are going to use the object of the data frame of the pandas module, and then the function name, the method name pivot underscore table. It allows us to provide the values and then the index that can be the columns, indexes if any, or if you want to group by and show as rows, and then the columns, it can be single or more, and then the aggregate function that can be mean, sum, standard deviation, so on and so forth. Okay, so now starting from the scratch, first let's clear all the outputs of all these cells. So now we are creating a sample data frame. For this purpose, we are creating a data frame from a dictionary, in which there will be like when converted to the data frame, it will have four columns. The very first column is the product, and then category, quantity, and amount. And we have put some dummy data in it, that there are a variety of products, that is carrots, broccoli, banana, beans, orange, broccoli, and banana again. And within the category column, we have two main categories, that is the vegetable and fruits. And in the quantity, we have integer values, and then in the amount, we also have some integer values as well. Okay, now in order to get the total sales of each product, which means that we just want to know that how much total number of carrot cost, what are the total number of cost by the product, that is the carrot, total cost by the broccoli in amount, banana in amount, beans in amount, and orange in amount respectively. So in order to do that, what we have to do is that we have to use the method pivot underscore table, and then within the index we have to provide the product as the column name, and within the values we have to use the amount. So all the values under the product will become the index name, and their corresponding values will sum to each other and reflect the overall sum in the output. So now we can see that this is the original data frame. Okay, and this is the resultant data frame, in which each of the unique value under the product column becomes the you can say the row index, and then each index contains the sum of all values by the banana product under the amount column name. Similarly, all the beans cost 626, and broccoli cost 301, carrot cost 270. So in order to put a double check, what we can do is that we can count the total number of bananas and their corresponding amounts. So we have a banana here is 617, and we also have banana here. So 670 plus 384 plus 90 is equal to the 1091, which is correct. Okay, now in order to get the total sales of each category, so we also know that we have the two main categories, that is the vegetable and fruit. So each product can be a vegetable or a fruit at a time. So now what we want to do, what is the total amount, or what is the total cost in amount, if it's for all the vegetables. Similarly, we want to do it for all the fruits as well. So what we have to do is that we have to set the index is equal to the category column, and then values is equal to amount as well. Now we also want to make the sum of all amounts corresponding to all these categories. As a result, what we get here is that all the fruits in total cost 1701, and all the vegetables in total cost 1197 respectively. Okay, how to get the total sales by category and product both? So what this actually mean is that we can check that if banana and fruits all together have the same. So it's essentially the same as the previous one. So all the bananas scored 1091 and it belongs to the category of fruit, and all the beans belongs to the vegetable, and it costs 626. So 1091, 626, 301, 270, and 610. So it's essentially the same, but at the same time, we can also see the category of each fruit. Um, okay, so now how to get the mean, median, and minimum sale by category. In this example, a pivot table is created from the data frame to display the median, mean, and minimum of the amount values categorized by category. So what it actually means is that we will set the index to the category and the values is equal to amount. So now we want to know that what is the sum of overall for each category. We already know that we have two categories, that is the either a vegetable or a fruit. Any product can be a vegetable or fruit at the moment. So what we are trying to compute is that we want to compute the overall sum for each category. That is the total sum for the foods and the vegetable, and the median of the total foods and total vegetables. For the we also want to compute the mean, minimum, and max as well. So now here we can get is that the total items under the category of fruit cost about 1701. The maximum cost is 617, their mean is 425.5, and then median 497. Same are the corresponding values for the vegetable category as well. So to get the mean, medium, and minimum by sale product, so in at this time we have set the product as the index and values is equal to amount as well. So this time, instead of getting the output based on the category, we will get the output based on the each specific product. So talking about the banana, so the maximum amount cost for the banana is 617, mean is 363. The total sum of the cost for banana is amount of 1091. The minimum one is 90. Same is the case for the rest of the products as well. So this was a short lecture on how to create a pivot table in Pandas data frame. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, kindly comment in the comment section.